beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I am so excited to bring you the January 2019 BeadCrate box. Now, I subscribe to the collector box. There's two different types with BeadCrate. The collector is the larger box, and that one is as low as $31 a month. The enthusiast box is a smaller box. It's as low as $18 per month, and it has about half the contents of what you'll see in here. And I'm going to leave the link to their website down below. Also, just a little disclaimer, I'm not on here to sell you any boxes, and this goes for all the subscription unboxings that I do. I have a lot of new subscribers, and I just want to make it very clear that please don't mistake my enthusiasm for the boxes that I subscribe to as me trying to sell you the boxes. What I'm doing is just sharing these with you because a lot of us, including myself, like to watch unboxings, and this is for you to determine if this box is right for you. I understand that not all boxes are right for everybody, and that's great. That's, why I'm doing these, so that you all can see what the different boxes are, how much they cost, what's inside, and what works for you as a beader, what works for your type of crafting. So, that aside, I do pay for my own box, and the opinions that I'm expressing today are my own. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. So I have no idea what's inside, but every single month they have a specific theme, and they curate all kinds of beautiful beads. There's checked glass, there's sometimes findings inside, sometimes other jewelry making supplies. So let's take a look. So as always, they include a note, which is going to tell us our theme. Here's a cute little box with a little stamp that they customize with the theme, which is so cute. And a beautiful bag of beads. So let me set this aside and we'll take a look and see what this says. All right, it says, on a clear moonlit night, look up at the moon. The moon's radiant light illuminates the night sky into many lovely hues. This night sky inspired this month's box. Be sure to shine a light on selection F to see their true glory. So that sounds awesome. And then on the back, it has all the contents nicely laid out. Everything is super organized. So as you'll see, everything has a letter associated with it, and the bags will too. That way you can match up what's inside with this nice sheet that's all laid out and organized for us. So let's take a look. I'm going to set my bead mat down so that I won't have things rolling everywhere. And we'll get started with selection A. All right. Beautiful things over here I'm seeing. Some beautiful things I can't wait to show you. Selection A, 3mm AB matte Montana blue Drux. Check glass, 50 beads. Aren't these gorgeous? So I'm going to take them out for you so we can really get a good look at them. Stunning. I love AB finish. Isn't that pretty? You can see as I move them around that they're almost glowing. Those are so beautiful. Okay, so that was A. I love BeadCrate so much. Month after month, they've just sent me so many gorgeous things. Okay, selection B is 10mm Polychrome denim blue antique cut, check glass, 7 beads. Oh my word. Another gorgeous bag. How beautiful are these? Wow, so they're like almost a metallic bluish purple. The cut on them is amazing. They almost look like stones. It's really, really cool. I love these so much. Those are beautiful. I can't wait to work with those. Okay, selection C, it says 17x8 Milky pink moondust flat and oval check glass. Oh my goodness. More gorgeous beads. Look at these. These are absolutely stunning. They have kind of a luster type finish on them. And they're just this, like it says, milky pink, almost a purplish color. With these, like, this kind of a grayish wash over it. And the luster finish. These are stunning too. So beautiful. Okay, so selection D is Toho 11O transparent cobalt Japanese glass. So with these boxes, they generally include a selection of Toho seed beads, which is always nice to have. So that would be these right here, which are stunning, cobalt blue. Gorgeous. You can see the Toho seed beads are very good quality, they're very uniform, and they're more expensive than many other seed beads out there because of their quality. Selection E, Celestial Mix Check Glass. Oh my goodness, that's really cool. Let's take a look. Put it out in my hand. What a fun mix. So lots of AB finish, as you can see, with some blue mixed in. Look at the little moons. Those are so adorable. And then the stars. Really, really cute. So you could separate these out, you know, or use them together either way. But what a cute little mix. You can see some fire polish beads in there. Some little tiny drucks. That's adorable. Love that. So much fun. Selection F, 12mm blue goldstone coins. Oh, I love goldstone. F. Oh my gosh, I love these. As you can see, they're so sparkly. Look how beautiful those are. Look at the sparkle on them. I love that. And I don't have any blue goldstone. I love the shape of these too. These are so nice. Alright, selection G is 8x5mm cobalt silver splash gem duo check glass beads. Ooh, gem duos. Look at these. Those are so fun. I am loving all this cobalt blue. This theme, it's gorgeous. And by the way, I have a playlist for BeadCrate, so if you are interested in seeing their other boxes that they've sent me over the past, I don't know, like 8 or 9 months, you can check back and see the types of things they sent, all the different themes, and really get a good idea of what you can expect to see from these boxes. But they've sent some amazing beads. So these are obviously gem duos like it said. So they're a check glass bead with 2 holes, and they're in this little diamond shape. And I can't wait to work with these. I've picked up some gem duos, but I have yet to work with them. Of course, I know there's tons of patterns out there for these. I like to come up with my own things, and I just haven't had a chance to really sit down and play with them, but I'm really inspired seeing these beautiful cobalt blue beads with this silver wash on them. Those are very, very cool. Selection H is 6mm fire polished AB crystal check glass, which is gorgeous, and you can never have enough crystal AB in my opinion. Goes with so much. Just beautiful. Look how flashy and sparkly that is. Ooh, so pretty. So shiny. I love it. I always go through my crystal AB very quickly. It's just so easy to use and so shiny. I love it. So selection I is 6x6 Montana blue bicones, which are these right here. And I know these to be Lucerna bicones. And I actually have had this color before. I love Lucerna bicones. I've done some tutorials on my channel using the Lucerna bicones, so if you're interested in that, you can definitely check out my playlist of tutorials as well. I love working with these. Such a fun shape. And that's a gorgeous color. So the Montana blue is more like a gray blue, almost a gray greenish blue. It's very, very nice. So again, I have the collector box here. So the enthusiast box, which is the less expensive box, has about half the amount of beads and things that you'd see here, just as a reminder. So let's see, selection J is 2mm fire polished navy blue check glass, which are these little bitty guys right here. So pretty. And they're teeny tiny, but the color is gorgeous. Gorgeous cobalt blue. Add that to my little growing stash of 2mm fire polish beads. Fire polish beads like this, of course, are great for stringing and also great for bead weaving because of their uniform shape. And that's just a gorgeous color once again. Selection K, light sapphire gemstone donut check glass 7x5, which is these right here, this pretty shade of light blue. And they look like a rondelle shape. They've got that oval shape to them. Very pretty, pretty sapphire blue. Gorgeous facets. Definitely adds to the sparkle factor on those. Selection L is Cobalt AB long tubes check glass 14 by 4, which are these. More gorgeous cobalt and AB finish. Beautiful. So those will be fun to work with. Those are really pretty. So on one side is the AB finish, and then the other side, it doesn't have the finish, so you just see that pure cobalt glass. Very smooth and shiny. Love it. I've never gotten a box from BeadCrate that I didn't like, and I'm not afraid to tell you guys if there's something I don't like. Okay, so Selection M, 22 by 26 Quest Antique Silver Moon Charm, which is this right here. Isn't that cool? Take it out for you so you can get a closer look. That is really nice. It's actually got a nice little weight to it. Very good quality. It's double-sided. And it's really fun for me, like, to add a little charm on the end of a bracelet. It just gives it a little something extra and makes a bracelet a little bit more special. Of course, I say bracelet, you could use a charm on any type of jewelry that you want. That's just how I personally tend to use them. I love the detail on that moon. That's gorgeous. Selection N, 12 by 16 Crystal Moondust Polished Drops. Love the drops. This is one of my favorite shapes that check glass beads come in, are these flat teardrops. Love them so much. They look great on the bottoms of earrings, and also I love using them on necklaces as well. So I can definitely see why they're called moondust polished drops, because there's almost like this little dusting on them and a little bit of a luster that's so pretty. It's subtle, but really pretty, adds to them a really nice detail. Selection O Bugle beads, transparent rainbow cobalt Japanese glass. That's awesome. So I haven't received bugle beads from them yet. I don't think. I don't have a lot of bugle beads, but these are really nice, of course, because these are going to be really uniform. They're Japanese glass. They're Toho. So really interested in working with these. Here's a better little peek at the color. So that gorgeous cobalt blue with kind of that AB finish as well. And they're the shorter bugle beads. They're not the really long bugle beads. Very nice. Gotta tell you, I thought it was going to be hard for them to top last month's purple and lavender, the sugar plum box, but I'm loving this box just as much. I love these blues and AB. Alright, so the next one is P, and that's 6mm cobalt 2-hole tile check glass beads. Awesome. So much fun getting these 2-hole beads too. Those are beautiful. So I also have at least one tutorial showing a bracelet using these 2-hole tile beads. It's called the Love Bracelet. Really great project for beginning bead weavers. And I just can't get enough of this cobalt blue. Selection Q is 4x6 Jet AB Etched Teardrops check glass. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these etched check glass beads. I keep seeing them and I just can't get enough. So I'll just show you, because I think you'll see what I mean. But look at this etching and then the finish on them. Aren't they really just so cool? I've seen these in the flat teardrops and I've been wanting them so badly. And these, I love the shape. They're little rounded teardrops, and I love the size. I love the fact that they're small because they've got such a funky finish on them that a little bit is going to go a long way. I'm so excited about these. And finally, our last item is R, and that is Iris Blue Petals Check Glass 50 beads. And just to point out that there are 2 asterisks here after certain items, and those are collector's exclusive items. So there are certain things that are in the collector box that are not in the enthusiast box. Also, the quantities, like I said, will be different. So anything that has those 2 stars next to the letter is something that is exclusive to this box that I'm showing you. Wouldn't want anyone to get confused or upset if they signed up for the smaller box and didn't get the same exact things. All right, so finally, let's see. Our Iris Blue petals. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't even. These are so pretty. So these obviously would make some amazing looking beaded flowers. They are petal beads, so you can see that they have this curved shape, so they're different from like a teardrop. They actually are shaped curved like a flower petal, and this is just an absolutely stunning color and finish. Love them so much. So I absolutely love this box. I don't think I need to say that again. Once again, I'm not here to sell you a box. I'm just here to share in the fun of unboxing all these beautiful beads with you, get to show you them up close, give you an idea of this subscription to make that decision for yourself. If this is right for you, if this fits into your budget, if it speaks to you, if these are the types of items that really inspire you. That is one of the big things I'm really trying to convey to you guys. Not that I need to convince you, because this is just my personal opinion. But getting beads like this every month in the mail, yes, I could go and I could look for sales and I could pick and choose all the beads I want. However, when I get a box of beads like this, it just really, really inspires me in a different way. I've been able to kind of keep a constant flow of creativity and a state of being inspired. Sometimes it's really hard to put a value on inspiration and what really just makes you happy. I'm loving the gem duos. I'm absolutely loving the etched teardrops, obviously. The petal beads. This mix is so cute. Love the polychrome denim antique cut beads. I mean, I love everything. I'll be able to use everything. There isn't one thing in here where I'm just going to be like, oh, no, I won't use that. I don't like it. Everything in this box is different, yet it comes together so well. And I mean, even if you don't use any of these things together, I just love how BeadCrate seems to take a lot of care and thought into what they pick and put in their boxes. I get so many new to me shapes that I have not worked with before, and I always look forward to getting this box. It's so exciting. So once again, I'll put their link down below if you're interested in signing up for a subscription for yourself. If not, at least I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you really like to see all these beautiful beads, because it's so much fun just to take a look at what's inside and share in the fun surprise of all these beads. I want to thank all of you for being with me. Please let me know if you have a favorite item or items down below in the comments. Feel free to leave me any questions you like. I do respond to every comment, and I love to hear from you. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. There have been so many of you in the recent days, and of course everyone who's stuck with me from the beginning. I do a lot of subscription unboxings here on my channel, as well as tutorials and finished jewelry updates where I show you the things that I've made from the items that come in these boxes, which is so much fun. We really have a lot of fun here on this channel. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!